Here we are dividing two fractions. Remember how you divide. It is the first fraction, negative 16 over 3, times the reciprocal of the second fraction, negative 12 over 3. Now, by the way, there's many ways you could approach this problem. You could decide that a negative divided by a negative is a positive quotient and go ahead and drop your negative signs. You could have also noticed that this fraction by itself can be simplified, so you could take that step earlier. Many ways to approach that, but let's continue. Now, let's think about multiplication. It's a negative times a negative, right? So the answer will be positive. And so let's forget about our negative signs, and then I have numerator 16 times numerator 12 over denominator 3 times denominator 3. Now do notice that 12 and 3 have a common factor, so I will take a step and write 12 as 3 times 4, and then the denominator still is 3 times 3. By the way, I know that 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so no common factor with the other 3 in the denominator in 16. Now let's simplify. Notice here, common factor of 3. No more common factors, so let's multiply. 16 times 1 times 4, that is 64 over 1 times 3 is 3. This is an improper fraction, but it is simplified, and I'll leave it as an improper fraction. Check with your instructor to see if he or she prefers a mixed number. But here's my quotient, 64 over 3.